In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Employee Zoho People tutorial. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard. The goal here is to navigate to the Employee section inside your organization settings. Open the Add or Edit Employees screen, and then enter the key details required to create the employee record. First, look to the left-hand sidebar. Find and click Organization. This area is where Zoho People keeps company-wide information, including departments, roles, and your employee directory. Clicking Organization will refresh the main workspace and display options related to managing your organization. Next, move to the top menu within the Organization section and select Employee. This brings you into the Employee Management view, where you can see existing employees and access actions for adding or updating employee profiles. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place by looking for the Employee List or Employee-related tabs in the main panel. Now you will click the option to add an employee, and then choose Edit. Depending on your account layout, you may see an Add icon, a plus button, or a small action menu. Select it to open the form where employee information can be entered. If the interface takes you to a profile screen first, choose the Edit option so you can input details. Once the employee form is open, enter the employee ID, the first name, and the email address. The employee ID is usually a unique identifier used for internal tracking, so use a consistent format that matches your company policy. For the first name, enter the employee's preferred first name as you want it to appear in the directory. For the email address, type the employee's work email carefully, since this is commonly used for notifications, login invitations, and system communication. A good tip is to double-check for typos before saving, because an incorrect email can prevent the employee from receiving important messages. After you have confirmed the information is accurate, you are ready to proceed with saving within the same screen, following your organization's normal process. And that is all there is to it.